I can tell by the little bit of fencing and gates, we're coming up on that little mine town I've been talking about. Oh, we got a storm. That just figures. Come on, I want to get the drone out. Wow, those are just some crazy cliffs. We gotta check this out. Now this is just the backside of it. Look at that. There's a whole town down there. Ooh. I think if we just let this blow over, we could get the drone up over here. I don't know if we can get this or not. Oh, it feels like it's coming right for us. Look at this. There's a whole town.
Gilman, Colorado, is an abandoned mining town founded in 1886 during the Colorado silver boom. The town sits at an elevation of 8,950 feet on a dramatic 600-foot cliff above the Eagle River. The now flooded Eagle Mine was abandoned in 1984 by the order of the EPA because of toxic pollutants as well as unprofitability of the mines. It is currently a ghost town on private property and is strictly off limits to the public. ADV Colorado. Now check out these drone shots.
I cannot believe the weather just cooperated. And we got that shot. You hear that thunder? Hell yeah. I just got a drone shot from the other side of this old Gilman mine in Colorado. I don't know if you can see this nasty storms coming our direction, but we got the drone up in the air, got the shot. Now it's time to ride on. Try to run from the storm if we can. Oh yeah, Colorado. ADV Colorado. Oh yeah, here we are coming into Glenwood Canyon. And I think that rain's finally caught up to us. Oh, Colorado and your rainstorms. Apparently Colorado has a monsoon season. Good to know.
Thanks for checking out my video on Gilman, Colorado, the old mining town. Want to see more content like this? Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Until next time, ADV Colorado.